Is that Tree Monkey Frank? You doing all right?
Doing good.
You gonna help me videotape?
Yep.
All right, cool. Just keep it rolling. You see that double line for pause?
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit we'll pause it. But I just got a call from a guy out of Ohio asking me about this saw, which is looks like a Makita, but I don't think the insides are like the Makita. I put them on the channel, I opened it up, cracked it open. He's gonna make some videos of some Makitas so we can get to the bottom of that. I'm gonna try left-handed because my right elbow is wore out. Alright, hit pause. Alright, so we got a saw that's warmed up, but it's not broke in. So, I'm gonna cut gently with it. That's just half throttle. You can put it on pause again. All right, we got a Hannah Cawa 660. Got a lot of history on the channel with the Hannah Cawa. We're gonna use the decomp. I'm gonna use my left arm to see if I can't prime it. Got it in the lowest forward gear. There it goes, okay? Switch one up. Not gonna use the decomp. I'm gonna go past top to its center trick. With it a little bit, you can pause it. The sand makes the chain dull quick. You can
pause it.
Okay. Bad, huh, Frank? What you think?
Pretty good.
Did we do okay?
Yeah.
Did it go the right direction?
Somewhat.
Is it down?
Yep.
What do you think, Jeff?
That's the direction we needed it.
Now, the only problem is bar went into the dirt, which just means I need to sharpen it. All right. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks, Frank, for the videography.
Yes, sir.
Take care.